I'm a conservator here at the J. Paul Getty Museum. We're in the South Pavilion, and today we're going to have a special visit with our 18th century French gilt bronze compound microscope, a wonder of technology in the 18th century. We're going to look at our microscope in this room, which was designed and built around 1750. So we're really in the environment that this microscope would have been used in. The case has a lot of little latches. It's a spectacular case. The leather upholstery with its beautiful gold tooling would have been made by a bookbinder, and the locks would have been made by a specialist locksmith. The interior would have been lined with silk velvet and gold braid trim. It's an incredible object on its own. This microscope is really a very highly refined scientific instrument. It's in high Rococo style, gilded bronze. It has shark skin covering the tube. Everything made by the top artisans and craftsmen of the day. The first thing I'll do to demonstrate is remove the lens cap. We have an ocular lens right inside here. We have a secondary lens in the tube here and an objective lens here. This case also has a drawer which contains a lot of the fittings and extra equipment, and a little hidden drawer behind which contains some of our specimens, extra lenses, and extra tools. We're going to place a sample from about 1800 into the sample stage. Today we're going to look at a flea. There's a mirror underneath here. It's a concave mirror, so it collects light. I'm going to point it at the window, and then I'm going to adjust the position of it until the light is coming directly up into the lens, and I can get the best possible view. And then a fine focus knob here to get it absolutely perfect. We have 5 objective lenses. Those are interchangeable. Each one of these lenses is made of 2 pieces of gilded bronze that hold a tiny little individual hand-ground lens that was perfectly prepared. Now put the number 4 lens in. And now you can see I can really zoom in just on that little flea's head and see all of his whiskers.